Hello, children. We'll go ahead with the informal invitation. Previously, we did formal invitation where we were supposed to be very formal towards the language, towards the writing content and all. But here, the informal invitation, this also comes under short composition where we have to limit our words within 50. You don't have to exceed the word limit. And informal invitation is actually, we can also call it as a relaxed invitation. Informal invitation is written in the format of an informal letter. This is non-official letter. No subject is mentioned while framing, while drafting an informal invitation. We just mention the place and date. Then comes salutation. Salutation is mentioned with dear so and so, maybe dear friend also we could write down, or dear name. Then towards the subscription part, when you see, it's written as yours sincerely and the name of the person who is inviting. Now, name of the invitee is mentioned here in the informal format, whereas we did not mention the name of the invitee there in the formal invitation. If it was formally inviting a single person, fine, otherwise we didn't use it there. Here for informal invitation, we have to mention the name of invitee. The invitation will go with the first person, that is I, we will be used here. We won't mention any receiver's address. Different tenses can be used here, and the vocabulary used is informal. Obviously, when we are writing down an informal invitation. In short, if you see this detailed one, if you go through in the shortest version, here, that is, beginning will do with sender's address, will leave one line gap, will mention the date in the same format the way we used to write down the date there for the letters. Then comes salutation. Salutation once again, that is dear Anil, dear Manju, whatever. Then the brief content will be mentioned here. The purpose of writing down the invitation, the time, date, venue, the program. In short, it will be mentioned here. It's not like that if you're writing down an informal invitation, you'll write down the detailed story here. Nothing in that sort you have to mention. Then again the complimentary clause, which will write with yours sincerely and the name. So keeping these things in mind, we'll write down one or two of the examples will do, so that the idea will come out with more clarity. Like one of the question I've already written here, draft an invitation to your friend, or write down a letter to your friend. That way also it can be asked. Letter to your friend, or draft an invitation to your friend on your housewarming ceremony. And then here it's mentioned as invent details, because the details you'll have to provide. It's not like everything will be given in the question. If it's not provided, you have to invent those details. You have to mention it there. So the first important thing, the way we wrote down the formal invitations, here also we have to begin with a box. So here also it is advised that always you please keep a ruler, so that you could mention the lines with the clarity. So draw the 3 lines, so whatever you write down, no, it will come neatly there in the paper wherever you are writing down, because only the content is not important, the way you are presenting is also equally important. So here first of all, the address, nothing, no address as such is mentioned here. You can write down anything, maybe like quarter number, maybe whatever, maybe LIG 103. Okay, then any other name of the place, maybe LIG colony. Fine. Even if we don't write down also, it's okay. Then the name of the place, because here we have to invent the details. You can write on anything. Fine. Then we'll give the date. So little space will write down, and then we'll mention the date. That is, if today, if it is 25th, we'll mention 25th August. If we also write on only 25th August, it's fine. It's not compulsory to mention the year also here. Fine. 25th August 2020. I'm writing it down. If you don't write down the year also, it's okay. Then further ahead, again one line gap, and then you'll mention the that is the salutation we'll write down. So, dear, uh, mentioning her, no? So, Ria, okay? Dear Ria. Then here we'll mention I'm happy to invite you, that way. I'm happy to invite you at the inauguration ceremony of our house in the new colony. Fine. In the new colony. Any address you could mention there. Then because the same address may go ahead or cannot also. Maybe if you mention the same address, you can mention the same address here. Fine. The Havan ceremony is at 10:30 a.m. And lunch at 2 p.m. So kindly join us on this happy and auspicious occasion with us, with my family, and it would be a nice occasion to introduce you to my parents, or whatever, anything. Fine, just 2-3 lines. Just the main thing is that the purpose of writing down the letter will be mentioned here in the content. And then after leaving one line, just will mention here yours sincerely, and then the name. After that, we can close the box. Just because of shortage of time, I'm not writing down. That way we could find. I'm happy to announce. Here you don't have to use any formal language, or I'm happy to invite you. That way also can start. So anyway, the thing is that it will not be that formal. The language is very informal. It's very less formal it is if you use it also. So this is how we write down one of the what to say, here also the word limit we have to pay attention on. That is, it shouldn't exceed 50 words. So you cannot write down I'm fine, how are you, and all. Normally the way we write down the informal letters. Fine, just to the point, because this is an invitation. One more, if we see, that is an invitation to a birthday party. So here also just the 3 lines, you just make it fast. With no doubt, that is with the help of the ruler, you please make the line. Then here the address here, I mentioned the address, that is sector 4, Vilasnagar, Raigad. So here it will come sender's address. Okay. Then it will come the date as 25th August. Fine. Then it will come directly the salutation. So here you could write down maybe dear Mr. maybe any name of the person. Okay. Then here we could write down, or maybe my dear, the name of the person. Then we have much pleasure, again one line gap, and we could, I don't know whether we would be able to finish it off within this space or not. We have much pleasure in inviting you to the first birthday of, here you can use different fonts here also, no doubt, that first birthday of my only son. Okay, my son or of our only son, the name also is given as Vikrant. Okay, then we'll mention at maybe 6 p.m. Okay, on here 25th, no, we'll give the date maybe as 31st August, on 31st August at our residence. If it's the, if here the name of the hotel is given, then the address also you could mention in the bracket there itself, in that continuity only, at our residence. Then as we already will write down the sender's address here, no need to mention the address of the residence once again. Fine. Eagerly waiting for your we are eagerly waiting. Fine. Or we hope you will be surely coming. We hope you will be surely coming and joining us. Fine. Then again, yours sincerely. Then here we could write down, because here Mrs. and Mr. Kamalnath. So yours sincerely, Mrs. and Mr. Kamalnath. You can write down, and then finally stretch the lines and from the bottom also, and complete the box. That is very important. Thank you.